Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video on this 2017 Chevy 1500. We put a 6-inch lift on it, some 20x9 wheels with a 0mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 XT tires. You could also call it an all-terrain tire. Starting from the front, we did not have to trim anything with the inner fender liner, which is kind of surprising. And then we had to trim the valence just a little bit. We put an angle in it and we got rid of the squared off look. And then towards the back, you do see that we have some aftermarket fender flares on this truck. So we needed to trim the fender flares just a little bit. And then there's a plastic cap that caps off the actual fender and the inner fender. You'll be able to see it on the inside. We had to take probably a 45-degree angle off of it. Besides that, we retained the majority of the inner fender, and we just took a little portion of that plastic end cap and a little bit of the inner fender off. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. My name is Michael with Central Alps. That's all.